Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening Settings and going straight to Security and Privacy, or Lock Screen and Password. You pick a screen lock method now: pattern, PIN, password, or fingerprint. Choose one that balances speed and security. For quick access, use fingerprint with a strong PIN fallback. Once selected, follow on-screen prompts to enter and confirm your pattern or PIN, or register fingerprints. Make sure you remember the backup method, because you will need it if biometric unlock fails. Once done, configure lock behavior. Set the automatic lock timeout to a short interval for security and enable smart lock only if you understand its trade-offs. You should customize lock screen notifications to hide sensitive content or show nothing at all. This prevents data leakage. Register additional fingerprints or a secondary PIN so you're not locked out. Make sure to test unlock immediately so you confirm fingerprints and timeouts behave as expected before walking away from the device. You finish by testing each unlock method, biometric, PIN, and password, to ensure smooth access. Then enable Find My Phone and backup lock settings to Huawei Cloud so you can recover access if lost. If you change your mind, remove lock methods in settings after confirming backups. Troubleshooting tip: if you forget the PIN or pattern, use your Huawei account or Find My Phone to reset, or perform a recovery reset as a last resort, because a full reset will erase device data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.